guys? We are out here, Texas Motor Speedway for Fuel Fest. Their second event of the year, our third or fourth event of the year, but we drove all the way from Fort Lauderdale to Dallas, Fort Worth. We're out here at the Speedway setting up. We've got the 2 drift cars. We got even more crazy carts for you guys to jump on and rent. We got a VIP viewing session. Drift track right behind us. We brought the whole squad. We got Team Taxi Garage out here. Check out what we're gonna do today.
Hot boy.
I almost missed you. Huh? No, he's standing on his car.
Boom. Ryan Kaufman, thank you
very much.
out.
Get Nick's signature too.
Yeah, Nick's right there as well.
Absolutely.
We chose good colors. Marker shows
Now
up
you're
on
gonna be
them.
in a YouTube video.
Yeah!
What's your name?
Michael.
What's your nickname?
Trip.
Trip?
Trip?
Is that our pen or your pen?
That's
I
his.
got it from the front.
Yeah, you take it back for us?
Yeah.
Thank you.
He said he loves our YouTube.
Yep.
Appreciate you, Trip.
All right, let's have some fun.
You ever done a ride along?
Yeah.
Okay.
First time.
Sick. Woo! Anything happens if you need to get out, all you do is
How was it?
Awesome.
You just came in too hot. I went maximum width. I actually almost went to the
fun did you have? Did you send it?
Yeah, I sent it full.
Yay! Woo! Tell me, how was your crazy kart experience?
It was amazing. It was great. Even though she crashed me, it was all great.
What? You do it again? You'd send it again?
Send it again. Full send.
And my tires are bald. I'm getting my money's worth. Thank you, Tire Streets, for making a long-lasting, reliable tire that does not delamp. Like, take a look at this. Wait, come here, come here. Look at that, bro. Smooth as silk, baby. Tire Streets for the win.
Let's go, Randall. Randall boy.
Always the last lap. Always the last lap.
Well, you blew it, kid.
Right? It blew the damn.
Did you?
Yeah.
Grenade launcher?
I'm hoping it's a diff. It could be the transmission, but it feels fine. So I'll probably jack it up. Maybe an axle. I don't know. The axle I have in the car are 10 years old, so. But of course it was with Randall from Fuel Fest in the car, so that's a little bit of a bummer. Thankfully, Aaron Losey gave him a ride. But that's a bummer. But anyway, this concludes Fuel Fest. Now we're gonna go rip Dallas on the karts, because that's gonna be badass.
Not tonight.
Tomorrow.
Oh.